Hey guys, it's Kevin from SKATEYOGI, and today we're going to talk about all the different components that go into your first skateboard. So after you've made the important decisions of picking out the deck, shape and size, and the wheels, then you're going to have a lot of other different things you're going to put together that get built to make your skateboard. And today we're going to go through a lot of those different items. So there's going to be a lot of different options as far as brands and styles for some of these components. When you're just starting off, it doesn't make too big of a difference what you go with. As you progress in your skateboarding, you'll develop more preferences with things. So all right, let's get started, walk through some stuff. So after you've picked out your deck and wheels, the next thing you'll pick out is some grip tape. Grip tape is that sticky paper that gets stuck to the top of the board so that you don't slip off. Typical options, common is just a plain black, but you should know that you also have some other options. There's usually some different colors you can go for, even some prints like that and other things. And then there's also this one, which is clear grip tape. So you can go classic and just go with straight black grip tape there, or you can pick a color or a number of them. You can see on my board, I've actually done a little bit of art here using black grip tape, and then here I have clear grip tape, and I've done a little bit of a sticker collage there, so it's another opportunity to get creative on your skateboard. It's pretty fun. These guys right here are called trucks. So this is what your wheels go on and gets attached to the board. This is how you turn and ride on the skateboard. And pretty much these are going to be selected based on the size of, or the width of your skateboard. So they're going to match up pretty much right in line with the width of your skateboard, give or take maybe like 1/8 of an inch. Then you're going to put those trucks onto the board using bolts or mounting hardware. Typically those are about 1 inch long. Brands don't really matter. Each skate shop will have a few. This optional accessory is called a riser pad. You see that? If you had maybe bigger wheels and you ride your trucks a little bit loose, you might want to put those on your trucks like that, just to give a little bit more space between your wheels and where the board is. But most of the times you can get away without risers. Lastly, we've got bearings. So bearings are the things that go inside your wheels so that the wheels can spin. There's several brands available. They should all be about $20 or so, and they're all pretty good quality. And that just about does it. So I hope that answered all your questions about any of the components that go on a skateboard besides your wheels or deck. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. And please subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram and YouTube at SKATEYOGI. See you later.